Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka village of Wan'an in Taidong is famous for growing organic rice. Local residents have even established a rice museum to promote their organic rice industry. When in the area, visitors can experience farm life and beautiful scenery. And you can take a couple of bags of organic rice home with you.
台东县池上乡的客家人主要聚集在景园、庆丰、新兴、福文、万安等村落，其中万安社区以生产有机米闻名。居民为了推广有机米及休闲产业，设立稻米原乡馆。到此造访可以体验农家生活，还可以把池上的优良有机米带回家哦。
Hi everyone, it's time once again to talk about Hakka.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
我是 Emily。Leo， 我们今天要介绍台东县的池上乡。
没错啊，池上乡。
池上乡 ，OK。那我想到池上乡的话呢，我都会想到池上饭包，非常有名的便当哎。
冇唔錯，嚟教大家用嚟講嗬，池上飯包。
池上飯包 Okay, alright, today we are talking about Taidong County and there is a little township called Chishang and you might be familiar with this because they are very famous for those little lunch boxes that are prepared with Chishang rice. OK， 所以池上乡最有名的当然就是它的池上米，没有这个米的话呢，他们的那个便当可能不会那么出色，对不对？
錯啊錯啊。
所以你有吃過嗎？
有啊有啊，我當然食過啊。
真的哦。
加個片呢就鐵色就會嗬，火車駛到個片的時間就會當到你來買飯包。
哦，是坐火車的時候，對不對？然後都是到某一站嗎？還是它每一站都會有賣這個便當？
通常是每一站都會賣便當，但是呢，到池上這邊的時候，就是很多家都會來賣
啊。我剛剛還在想說，要請問一下，如果我們要從台北啊坐到台東的話呢，不知道要坐多久吼？
可能要3-4點鐘哦。
Okay, 3 to 4 hours. That's not too bad, and you get a really yummy lunchbox in return for your efforts. 其实啊，我最近有看到电视上，就是连日本的摄影师都来拍说，就是看这些人啊，坐了火車，坐到某一站，然后大家都殺過去買，然後那便當一下就賣光光了。
哎呀，錯啊錯啊。
對，所以火車便當怎麼說？
火車飯包。
火車飯包，所以便當跟飯包其實都是一樣的意思就對了。Okay. All right, so the next time you take the train down to Taidong and you make a stop at Chishang, don't forget to try the lunch boxes. And that's it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子些張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.